The platypus is a unique mammal. It lays eggs, lives in fresh water, and has a bill sensitive to electricity. It's a mammal, but it lays eggs, nurses without nipples, and lives in fresh water. It lives in eastern and southeastern Australia, Tasmania, in freshwater rivers and wetlands. Freshwater. A close relative of the platypus, the echidna, is also a monotreme, a mammal that lays eggs and lives on land. Its lineage is ancient, mixing traits that resemble reptiles, birds, and mammals. The bill detects electrical impulses from prey hidden in the mud. Waterproof fur, webbed feet, and a fat-storing tail help it swim. The cloaca is the platypus's only opening. Urine, and in females, eggs. It's the trait typical of monotremes. In males, the spur on the heel releases venom during mating season. It's painful, but not lethal to humans. When diving, it closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils. The bill guides the hunt. It digs long burrows in riverbanks with a discreet entrance above the waterline. The female lays 1 to 3 thin-shelled eggs with a parchment-like texture. Milk seeps from pores in the skin. The young lick it from the mother's belly fur. The mother cares for the young for months until they can swim and feed on their own. It's most active at dusk and at night. It rests in burrows during the day. It eats aquatic insects, crustaceans, and worms. It probes the riverbed with its bill, which is highly sensitive. It swims by paddling with its front feet. The rear feet help steer. It's shy and avoids people. Keeping it as a pet is illegal and harmful. Main threats: fishing nets, droughts, pollution, and habitat loss. Today it's classified as near threatened. The overall trend is declining. Laws protect the species responsible. Fishing and wildlife safe traps save lives. Conservation and monitoring centers support populations and connect habitats. Where platypuses thrive, rivers tend to be healthier. Like, subscribe, and comment which Australian animal you want to see next.